Alright, what's going on, guys? So here we are outside the bike, and the bike is right here, as you can see. What we're about to do real quick is we're just going to hit this with some of this Rain-X Waterless Wash and Wax. Now, the reason why I'm doing this now is because it's a little rainy, and you can hear all the cars passing by and stuff, so it's a little rainy. I already washed this bike like a week ago or so, and you can see the water's sort of beating, kind of okay-ish, right? Still some stains, you know. It's not really beating as much as I'd want it to. I just sort of want it to be nice and shiny. It's nice and shiny now because it's not like super dirty. The wheels are still clean because I barely rode this thing. I actually didn't even ride this thing at all. So I didn't ride the bike at all. Cherry Blossoms JDM. And I didn't even get a chance to ride this bike because the fork seals are actually shot. These are, I don't know if you can see that, but if you look up close, they're cracking pretty bad. And the one that's real bad is actually going to be this driver's side, left side one. I mean, you can even see how much oil has been coming out because it's pretty dirty. But I was able to give this a nice wash and make it nice and clean. You know, scrubbed it down. So we're just going to go ahead and grab an old shirt. I did have like microfibers and stuff, but I used it on the Civic. Now if we go take a look at the Civic, let me just show you how good the Rain-X Waterless Wash and Wax is. So this is my dad's Civic, like super beating. You can just see the water is like not sticking to this car at all. And this is like super good. I did like all the painted sheet metals. I did the roof, as you can see, super nice. Quarter sheet metal, quarter panel, super good. You know, you can see that. Look how much the water's beating. I know. Just show y'all. Take the camera with me. Alright. It's real easy. You just spray it on and wipe it off. That. Yes. I know that's a little bit too much, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit this. I think it's a little bit too much. Yeah, spraying too much. I mean, it's such a tiny panel. And really all it is just apply it, flip your rag over, and buff it right out. Now I just gotta buff it out, right? Buff it out. Flip the shirt over. And this is just the same, almost the same conditions as yesterday. I applied this stuff in the rain on the Civic, and it turned out like money. And you can even feel it, like, to be honest with you, like, you could feel it on the shirt / rag that you're using. Look at that. That is one sick shine. Compared to this, yeah, it's clean. Honestly, I'm probably going to do the air filter case and the back fender too, of course. You know, it's clean, but it just doesn't have that like deep gloss. And this is crazy because it even says it right there. No wax needed. Basic filming skills. Mad basic. This stuff is like so easy to use. Literally, you just spray it on, wipe it off. Look at that. That's money right there. Oh my gosh. Super easy. So it goes on, and it's like a little hazy, you know, just a little, like not too hazy. Goes on, nice. See, got the tank. I'm just gonna buff the tank out. And keep in mind, I'm just using this old t-shirt, you know, just to show that you can use any clean, like, shirt, microfiber, rag, and it'll do just fine. And I mean, oh my gosh, like you can even feel it. Like, obviously you can't feel it through the camera, but just how this is like sliding off, oh my gosh, it's amazing stuff. Now, there's a chance that maybe if I had microfibers I could get like the tiny hazy spots out, but for the most part, so far, it looks gold. And just take a look at the water beading action. I don't know if this camera picks that up pretty good, but just no, the water, the water just sort of hangs out. Memphis Shades bullet fairing right there. See that? Real nice. And the next thing is going to be the back fender, and then after that I am gonna do the other side of the tank. You can already see how much nicer it is. Oh yeah, clear taillight. I love the clear taillight. So cool. Lollipop. But yeah, you can already see the water beading. You know, I'm not trying to get this bike dirty or wet again. I was just trying to do this real quick. You know, just as like a little demo. Because this stuff right here really is no wax needed. Rain-X. Rock chips. Yeah, this bike's got them. Yeah, this shirt's wet though. It's gonna be tough to get the haze off of here. I will try my best. Can't ride. Might as well do something else, right? Ta-da! So that's all, folks. That right there is just my quick little demo. Just my quick little demo of the Rain-X Waterless Wash and Wax. As you can see right there, stuff's legit. No wax needed. You really don't. That's the fender on the front. Let's see that. Real nice. Look at that water beading. Also did the bullet fairing, Memphis Shades, bullet fairing, the bow. And we also got the gas tank. And this rain is starting to pick up a little bit more. Air filter cleaner. And of course, last but not least, the rear fender. Lollipop. What do you think? Thumbnail? I think so. Reporting to you live from the JDM Cherry Blossom Garden. can't say that that's too strange that that happened on the bike, because I mean, after all, the bike hasn't been run for maybe 2 weeks or so, and it looks like the bike has just sort of had the bike's got like maybe half a tank, because it's like, you know, you could rock the bike back and forth and you could feel it. But I have to say, yeah, so unfortunately the bike did that. It was running before, but strangely I didn't actually have the camera recording, so whatever I was just doing over there trying to turn it on didn't happen. So I turned it off. I was like, alright, flip the camera on, which I did, and then you saw me try to turn that on, but it was just doing that little thing. Woo! So yeah, I'm just gonna let the bike warm up a little, let it get hot, and then probably just gonna cut it after that. You know, I just missed the sound of my bike, and I don't know. At first I was like, what's going on? You know, the bike didn't want to start, but we're good now. So, you know, it's my little baby. Walk around here. So rad. So I think that's it, folks. I think I'm just gonna cut it off right here. And thanks for watching.